Today's daily code problem of the day is string compression part 3, number 3163. For this problem, we're given a string word, and our goal is to compress it using the following algorithm. Begin with an empty string comp. While word is not empty, we're going to use the following operation. Remove a maximum length prefix of word made of a single character C, repeating at most 9 times. We'll then append the length of the prefix followed by C to our compressed string. So if we look at our example here, we have A, B, C, D, E. So our output's going to be 1A, 1B, 1C, 1D, 1E, because each of these characters shows up exactly once. So in our example 2, we can see that we have 14 A's and 2 B's. So because our max number we can go to is 9, we're going to have 9A and then 5A, 2B. So this is the shortest we can make it because we want to keep our digits single digit. So let's go ahead and dive right into the code. We're going to use a string builder for efficiency, and this is going to be our compressed string. And this is just going to allow us to manipulate our string. We're also going to have an integer I, which is going to be an index for us to keep track of our position in the word. So we're going to use a while loop. So while I is less than our word.length, we're going to do a couple things. We're going to get the current character we're at, and then we're going to have a count. And then it's going to be a loop to count how many of this character there's going to be. So char current char is going to be equal to word.char at I. That's simply just going to take the current character that we're looking at position of I, and then we're going to have an int count to count how many times that character appears. And we'll do that with another while loop. So while I is less than word.length, and word.char at I is equal to our current character we're looking at, and as long as the count is less than 9, because that's the max we could do, we'll increment count and we will increment I. So now that we have a count going, we incremented our I, so we're looking at the next character. We can append, so comp.append our count, and then we will also append our current char. So our count is from 0 to 9 as we counted how many of these letters appeared in a row, and then our current character is whatever character we were counting. So if it was A in this case, we would have A all the way till 9, and it's going to be 9A. So we're going to append count, we're going to append our character, and after we break through these while loops, that means we'll go through each character, find their count, and append it to our string. We can return our comp.toString. So if we run this, passes our test cases, and if we submit it, passes all solutions. Our time complexity for the solution is going to be of O of n, as we traverse the string only once. And that's it for this problem. Thank you, and follow for more daily LeetCode solutions.